Let me ask about the money in the casinos. Meron pong $61 million na pumasok po sa casino. Pag sinabi po natin pumasok ito sa treasury ng mga casino. Is that right, Attorney Tan? Or at least for Soler?
Your Honor, with respect to Soler, we received 1.365 billion pesos, Your Honor.
Okay, kasi na-convert na into pesos, no? 1.365.
That's correct.
That's
Your
right. Pag sinabing nakapasok, what does that mean?
The amount was transferred from PhilRem's BDO account to Soler's BDO account, Your Honor.
Okay. It's in Soler's BDO account. Anong nangyari sa perang yon?
The money was then used as front money by Ding Shizi, and then it was used to purchase equivalent amount of non-negotiable chips, Your Honor.
And then?
And
so are the chips at large? Nilaro ba niya yung chips? What happened to this?
I'll give the summary, Your Honor.
Attorney Nepomuceno will be asking about Midas next, ha?
Well, to answer the question of where the 1.365 billion that was received from PhilRem by Soler BDO account, we summarize it as follows. Number one, the entire 1.365 billion pesos was used to purchase 1.365 billion worth of premium non-negotiable chips in Soler, and those non-negotiable chips were used and transferred as follows. 903,730,000 worth was transferred to junket operator A in Soler, Your Honor, and was exchanged for equivalent of 903.73 million worth of that junket operator A's non-negotiable chips on instruction of Mr. Ding Shizi. Then 100 million worth.
Just a second, Attorney Tan. So, pumasok sa account ninyo, naging chips ng Soler, and then naging chips ng junket. Junket operator. Magkaiba ba yung chips na yon?
They're different, Your Honor.
Okay. Sorry, could you use the other mic, please? Because nawawala-wala ka sa mic. Sige, Attorney, please explain.
Your Honor, a junket operator A is a fixed room junket operator. So they have their own rooms, and when a junket player plays with them, they issue their separate, distinct non-negotiable chips, Your Honor.
All right. So, ito ba'y currently still in junket operator A chips?
We do not know that, Your Honor, because the junket operator has its own cage. That's the cashier. And so we have no visibility on the transaction of a junket operator's cage between the junket operator and the player, Your Honor.
So hindi natin alam kung na-encash ba ito, nasa account ng junket operator. We don't know. Your Soler does not know.
That's correct, Your Honor. But in our record, that amount was transferred to them.
So, kumbaga, napasa na sa kanila, hindi nyo na alam. In effect?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Junket operator A is a Filipino-registered junket operator, or is it a foreign entity?
It's a foreign entity, Your Honor, one of the biggest junket operators in the world, operating in Macau and other gaming centers, Your Honor.
I'm going to ask Attorney Abad next. No? Have you written junket operator A and told them 900 million pesos worth of Bangladesh's money is with you? Nasabi niyo po yun?
We did, Your Honor.
And was there a response?
Yes, Your Honor. They said they've been played out, and they said we told them that you will be called to a hearing and you'll be asked to explain. And they said they will explain when called, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, if we can invite those junket operators. When they said they were paid out, does that mean they encashed it already? Sabi mo, they were paid out?
That's what they said.
What does that term mean, paid out?
That it's no longer with them, Your Honor.
So sinasabi po nila, nagalaw na rin nila yung perang yon.
That's how I understand it, Your Honor. Yes.